What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the NVM channel. In today's episode, we're going to start the restoration on our BMW Z4M.
NV Motorsport is in the game. Gang.
So today you catch me at Prominence Detailing, good friends of ours for many years, who looks after all our cars and maintenance and detailing. So he's going to give the car a once over, give it a full detail, bring it back up to life, interior and exterior, and that crusty engine bay too. This is Jay. Everyone knows him from TikTok. tell him to come closer.
Abdul, come closer. So, Mabs, why have you bought this then?
Mate, it's a Z4M. Limited edition, homage.
Midlife crisis.
Why is it with people and midlife crisis? What's going on? It ain't a midlife crisis. It's a legend car. And it's going to be even more of a legend once we're finished with it. But we need you to sort it out first, mate.
Okay, so Mabs, talk me through it then. What are we doing?
I think interior needs a full once over. Everybody needs a good kind of clean. And there's lots more involved in that, so you're going to have to give it a good cut.
Mabs, come on. You know me, man. You know me.
I know him enough to know that this is
going to be mint. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Some time later.
Yes, Jay.
Yes, times. We decontaminated the car, cleaned the engine bay, decontaminated the wheels, got rid of any tar and iron spots on the car. But now it's time for the detail. So what we're doing essentially is removing swirl marks, scratches, and enhancing the gloss of the paint. But if you come over to this side, times, I'll show you. This door, if you could pick it up on your camera, it's full of heavy marring, heavy scratching. That's why the car's here. We need to get this car looking brand new again for Mabs. So times, we've also, especially for Mabs, cleaned up the engine bay. Secretly, we've put 2 turbos underneath, remapped it, stage 2, but don't tell anyone of that, yeah? So the wheels, they've just been refurbed, so they're okay. But what we are gonna do is put a little coating on the wheels. So the interior, as you can see, it's quite shiny. It's quite dirty, but for the age of the car, it's not that bad, essentially. But again, we're gonna steam out everything and get the car looking brand new again.
Definitely going through a midlife crisis buying this.
Do you know what, bro? He hasn't, because he ain't got the convertible.
I know, yeah.
The wind needs to be going through his hair.
Concrete is the answer.
So it's been a few days since Jay's had the car. Can't wait to see it. He has said it's finished, so I've sent times over there to go pick it up. Should be here any minute now. That looks absolutely immaculate. Yes, it has been raining today, guys, so there's a bit of spray, but the actual paintwork.
That interior looks brand new now. Whoa, it's fancy in here now.
Annoying.
You see what I'm seeing now?
This is literally annoying. And there's no stud for the belt to hang on, so it keeps dropping. And there's no. I don't know if you're safe in this car until you get this sorted. How did this car pass at MOT? Broken drop links, dodgy seat belts. Ooh, clean interior though. Guys, we're using the sat nav on my phone because your boy Mabs figured it out as to why the battery was draining. So we're going to sort it out in a later video. I think the brakes need sorting, you know.
A bit soft.
Well, they've got a long pedal, so that usually means there's airs in the system.
What?
That usually means there's airs in the system.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Or the calipers are sticking. I got a feeling it's the latter. Because the fronts have been refurbed, but the rears haven't. And the rears are known to kind of stick. So yeah, there's so much we need to sort out in this car. I'm having second thoughts, like why did we buy a Z4M, man?
Continue on A4123.
Oh yeah, I remember why. That's why.
Did you look? We're lost.
Lost.
We've got lost. We don't know where we're going. We're in the middle of an industrial state. Mabs has managed to get us somewhere lost.
don't know where my buckle's gone. Look at this. It locks, so in the event of an accident, it would work. It just doesn't. Anyway, we are here at Vibebelts. So Vibebelts, based in Dudley, Briley Hill. These guys remanufacture OEM seatbelts to enhance the safety and the aesthetics of your seatbelt itself. Now the Z4Ms, obviously they're about 15 years old. It would class as an MOT failure if it didn't have good spring back and recoil, but we've got a couple of options today. We'll go through and see what we can do. It's crazy, isn't it? Look at the amount of colours you wouldn't ever think. You've got greys, silvers, purple, bronze, day glow yellow, golden yellow, sugar candy, pink, that's a bit of you, neon pink, that's a bit of me, postbox red.
So how many has it got? You got loads?
Loads, absolute loads. There's infinite colours to go with the interior, so yeah. Anyone watching who wants a set of colourful belts, make sure you hit up Vibebelts.
I like this one, you know.
Tiffany blue.
Tiffany blue.
Huge array of colours here, mate. I'll be honest with you, like they'll go with any interior. People usually contrast their colour of their seatbelt to their seats, but we've got red interior, so we can't put Tiffany blue in there, can we? The gold might go. I mean, if we carry a bit of a gold theme, but I think that's more suited to the
E46.
E46 with the gold knob and the gold calipers it's going to have. Then we've got red, which is similar to the interior on there. We've got a black with red stripe. I really like this. I think that goes really well, like with the red interior. And then we've got the beautiful M seatbelt as well. What do you guys think at home? Which colour should we go for? I can't make my mind up, so I'm going to leave that to Cal to decide, and I'll catch you guys in a bit.
I don't know where Mad has got to. Oh, here you are.
It's nice and warm in here, mate. And we've got good TV going on. NVM channel, subscribed as well. Like to see Callum being a fan. So yeah, what colours are you going for?
I'm not going to tell you.
Oh,
You're going to have to wait and see.
imagine you chose pink, mate. If you chose pink and put it on my Z4M, I know you had something to do with it.
It's like Alcantara with Starlight. This is Vibebelts, Fiat 500, Starlight. Yeah, they're ready, Mabs?
Ready?
Yeah, come and have a look.
Oh! Oh my God! You went for M stitching. Killed it, absolutely killed it, Callum. That literally is exactly what this car needed. They're going for that OEM plus vibe, and I think any other colour would have looked daft in here. See if it works. Oh, the seatbelt buckle's in the right place. It's not down on the floor. So that's that little button that is put in. And we've got good recoil.
So yeah,
hopefully it should stop us in an accident, shouldn't it?
Tell me what that button thing is then.
Yeah, so that button was missing, so every time the belt was unclipped it used to fall to the floor.
Oh.
It's hard to get to, so having that back in position. I mean, look at this, man. Makes the car look brand new again, doesn't it?
I think we're going to need to get your Starlights like his now though.
Alcantara Starlights, a nice roll cage in M colours. We're good?
Let me put my belt on then. Feels nice, isn't it?
It's feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.
The beauty of getting these belts made is, it's a fraction of the cost of replacements.
That's good.
So if you lost recoil in yours and you think it's gone, get it reconned and pop down to Vibebelts. We're gonna send that above to the moon. Man. He wants a big turbo on there. He wants it tuned. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun with that. I mean, a car like this deserves the restoration. You know, a clean interior, clean bodywork, some fresh seat belts. But it does deserve to be on track too. We've only driven it on the road.
Yeah.
And you know, Mr. Michael Shoeblacker He's got himself a little jack car, hasn't he? I don't know why he's put that wang on there, mate. I think he's trying to use it to iron his shirts, maybe. MSB, if you're watching, what are you doing, mate? What are you doing? But yeah, I'm coming for you in my naturally aspirated Z4M Coupe at the next track day. So make sure you're ready, mate. Make sure you're ready. So I hope everyone enjoyed today's episode on the Z4M project. The restoration is coming along. We avoided an MOT failure today thanks to the guys at Vibebelts, and the car's looking absolutely mint thanks to Prominence Detailing. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Don't matter if you cars for the road or tracks. Mexico on the lanes or Dunnington doing up laps. Car man, I got maps doing up maps. Maximum power, cars get gaps. They got tuners, we got tuners, but they're tuners a load of. Man got the map, what kind of map? Best don't map, fastest lap. Zoom in past, don't watch how big man map. 3 maps, take a passenger seat, watch a man collapse. Foot to the floor, rev to the max. Team come through like axe. All you see is flames, all you hear is bullets and bangs. Subscribe and like, the visuals nice. With times in the cam, the drive is right when programmed by the MV gang. He's doing it well, he's doing it right, and they can't do it like man. NV Motorsport, it's in the game. Gang.
More deliveries. Oh. This project is getting expensive.